A running toilet is more than just an annoying sound. It's a significant waste of water and money. This common household issue can silently add hundreds of dollars to your water bill each year. Fortunately, most running toilet problems are simple to diagnose and fix yourself. You don't need specialized plumbing knowledge to tackle this repair. With a few basic tools and a clear understanding of the toilet's internal components, you can resolve the issue quickly. Let's walk through the process step by step. Before you begin, gather a few common household tools. You will likely need a sponge or old towel for any spills. A pair of pliers or an adjustable wrench might be useful for tightening connections. Having a small bucket nearby can also be helpful for catching excess water. Finally, a new flapper or fill valve kit might be necessary, depending on your diagnosis. The first step is to identify why your toilet is running. The most common culprits are a faulty flapper, an improperly adjusted float, or a defective fill valve. Each of these components plays a crucial role in your toilet's flushing cycle. Start by removing the toilet tank lid. Observe the water level inside the tank. This initial visual inspection can often provide immediate clues about the problem. The flapper is a rubber or plastic seal at the bottom of the tank that lifts to allow water into the bowl. If your toilet runs intermittently or constantly, the flapper is often the culprit. It might be worn out, warped, or simply not sealing properly. To test the flapper, add a few drops of food coloring to the tank water. Wait about 15 to 20 minutes without flushing. If you see colored water appear in the toilet bowl, your flapper is leaking and needs replacement. Replacing a flapper is straightforward. Turn off the water supply valve located behind or beneath the toilet. Flush the toilet to empty the tank. Disconnect the old flapper from the flush chain and the overflow tube. Attach the new flapper, ensuring it seals tightly against the flush valve opening. Reconnect the chain, leaving a small amount of slack. Turn the water supply back on and test the flush. The float mechanism controls the water level in the tank. If the water level is too high, it can continuously spill into the overflow tube, causing the toilet to run. The ideal water level is typically about an inch below the top of the overflow tube. For older toilets with a ball-cock float, gently bend the float arm downwards to lower the water level. For newer toilets with a vertical float cup, pinch the clip on the side of the fill valve and slide the float cup down. This adjustment will lower the water level. After adjusting, flush the toilet and observe the new water level. Make further small adjustments if necessary until the water stops filling at the correct height. This simple fix often resolves running toilet issues. If the flapper is fine and the float is correctly adjusted, the problem might lie with the fill valve itself. The fill valve is responsible for refilling the tank after each flush. A faulty fill valve can continuously allow water to enter the tank, even when it's full. Listen closely to the fill valve. If you hear a constant hissing or trickling sound, even when the tank is full, the fill valve may be defective. Sometimes, mineral buildup can prevent it from shutting off completely. Replacing a fill valve is a more involved but still manageable DIY task. You will need to turn off the water supply, drain the tank, and disconnect the water supply line. Unscrew the old fill valve from the bottom of the tank and install the new one according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once you've made your repair, perform a final check. Flush the toilet several times and listen carefully. Ensure the water fills to the correct level and then stops completely without any running sounds. Regularly inspect your toilet's internal components, especially the flapper, for signs of wear. Addressing minor issues promptly can prevent larger problems and significant water waste. With these steps, you can easily fix a running toilet and save on your utility bills.